Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we are going to talk about how to manage the forms on your Wix site. So, let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Customers and Leads on the left and go to Forms and Submissions. And this is where you'll see all of your forms. If you have both the new Wix forms and the old one, you'll see a tab right here for the new forms and for the old forms. To manage a specific form, click on the three dot button next to the form you want to work on. And on this drop down, you'll have the options to view its submissions, add it to your site, preview it, go to form settings and configure it, see form notifications, make a copy of this form, or delete it. So feel free to manage your forms using these available options. And that's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful somehow. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.